everybody, welcome to Tutor Computer Science. I'm Anna. I like to learn and teach about computer science, especially programming. What do you want to learn today? I can teach you guys. Wait, who called me through video call? It's you. Hi, aswaazfar. What's up? May I help you?
Hey Anna, so basically yes, I have a question. How do you know? So basically I have a problem with my programming languages, actually in my coding, which is my teacher said my coding is too long and I need to use a procedure, but I have no idea what is procedure. And my teacher said we use procedure to avoid the repetitive of the programming languages that cause the programming coding is too long. So can you teach me how to solve this problem and what is actually a procedure?
Yeah, sure. I can teach you that. As far as still confused what is actually procedure and how to use it in Python programming. Okay, got it. I'll start with what is procedure actually. Just like algorithms, programs are designed to solve a problem. In order to solve the problem, the program needs to perform several tasks. A procedure is a small section of a program that performs a specific task. Procedures can be used repeatedly throughout a program. A real-life example of a procedure is brushing your teeth. There are several steps involved in this process: getting your toothbrush, squeezing the toothpaste onto the brush, brushing all your teeth, then rinsing your mouth out and putting everything back. Each of these steps is usually described. They just form part of the whole brushing teeth procedure. So, I know you guys asking why use procedures in coding? Program code is easier to read and understand when it is broken up into smaller sections. By breaking a program up into these sections, or procedures, code can be made shorter and simpler. Procedures can make code shorter, simpler, and easier to write. Consider this excerpt from a Python game program which prints player information on the screen. The program uses 6 lines of code to print out the player information. Suppose you wanted to print out the player information at these different points in the game. Let's say you want to put at the end of a level, when the player loses a life, when the player beats the high score, and when the game is over. You would need to repeat those 6 lines of code on each occasion, giving a total of 24 lines of code simply to display the player information. Yeah, I know, this is repetitive and a waste of time. It would be better to write a procedure and simply run that procedure whenever it is needed. So, how to write a procedure in Python? Calm down, relax. Writing a procedure is extremely simple. Every procedure needs a name and also the program code to perform the task. Consider this excerpt from a Python game program which prints player information on the screen. To create a procedure, first give the procedure a name. A good name for the player information procedure could be update display. Python uses the statement def to name a procedure. The procedure code is then written indented beneath the def statement. Once a procedure is named and written, it can be called at any point in the program. Calling a procedure means running it. Suppose you wanted to print out player information at the following points in a game: at the end of a level, when the player loses a life, when the player beats the high score, and time game over. Well, each time you needed to print out the player information, you could simply call the procedure. This is the sample code on how you use it. Yay! By using this procedure greatly reduces the amount of code that has to be included in the program. So yeah, this is all about procedure that you need to know. Easy, right? Well, I have a sample question and try to answer it. I hope by doing this question you will now understand more about procedure. This is a coding about happy birthday lyrics. Try to transform this coding into procedure. Good luck! Well, do you guys understand about procedure? Yes? Good! I hope you learned something today. That's all from me. Thank you for watching Tutor Computer Science with Anna. Bye! Have a nice day!